to the neighborhood.
What do we want?
For you to answer your phone!
When do we want it?
Right now!
What do we want?
For you to answer your phone!
When do we want it?
Right now! Answer your phone! Answer your phone! Answer your phone! Answer your phone!
How does RingtoneFeeder work? Well, go to ringtonefeeder.com, follow the instructions, and then you're transferred to PayPal to complete the transaction. You get a username and password, you click on the link, and iTunes opens up, and ringtones come automatically.
And now in the latest iTunes,
It's even easier than before. Just connect your iPhone to your computer, click the iPhone device, and then the ringtone tab. Just select sync, and the ringtones will arrive on your iPhone. For more details or even try a free demo, visit www.ringtonefeeder.com. And now you can find our ringtones directly on your iPhone. Just search for RingtoneFeeder on the iPhone iTunes app.